Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The sum of the two numbers is 76.133. If one of the numbers is 32.251, find the other number. So we are given 32.251 plus some number gives us sum as 76.133. Then the number in the box can be found out by simply subtracting 32.251 from 76.133. So let's do the subtraction. We get 32.251 is subtracted from 76.133. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 5 cannot be done. So we take it as 13 and reduce this to 0. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 0 minus 2 cannot be done. So we take as 10 minus 2 and reduce this to 5. So we get 10 minus 2 as 8. Decimal point as it is. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So we are left with required number is 43.882. This is the answer. Answer is option D.